Alrighty, guys. TNXP. It is down massive today. Just this is the nature of pennies. Down 48%. Has over almost 200 million volume. Um, it was looking pretty good for a blink of a second, right? It was coming up here. Price was pulling back. I took it at this support level and made quite a bit of money here, right? This is why I always need to say, I don't care what's happening. Um, this could make you take the profits when they happen, okay? Because no one can really say, oh, this is going to go up here, this here. And in a blink of a second, look at this. Overnight, you wake up at 8:15 and bam, you're like excited for trading and it just goes down. And that is the nature of small caps. And I don't care what anyone says, small caps are always risky. They're extremely risky. And when you go up into this, they were going to do a reverse stock split. As you can see, they were well below a dollar for quite some time, and they just could not stay above a dollar, and so they didn't want to do it organically, so they screw over shareholders. TNXP is not a long hold, it's not an investment. As you can see, any stock that does reverse splits are not stocks I want to hold. Right in here, reverse split. This thing does not care. Right here, another reverse split. And you can see many times reverse split. And they're just going to keep doing it to stay alive, dilute money, and just to really stay in business by retail's money. And you can see right here, I tend to stay away from biotech pharmaceuticals as this they are very risky as far as the sense of a drug doesn't work out and drops you know insanely amount. But yeah, I just want to just give you guys encouragement and be like, it's okay to lose. It's totally fine. No one really could see a drop like that happening here. We have strong support here. We are going, you were staying above it, went from 18, and now we're at 22. So, but after this is happening, a 1 for 100 reverse split, this is not a stock that you want to go through this reverse split. And that's really what a lot of people are thinking too, as they're like, you know what, why risk it? Why go through all this? And your shareholder, your 1 for 100 is pretty big RS. So I'm looking at this one and I'm thinking, this is the way I would play it. I would just, if you were in it, take the loss. There's so many better positions. I personally, this is how I do it too. If you get a bounce on this 10 and you go up 10%, I take those gains. Now, if it gaps down below the 50, then you don't play it. I was going to play it on the 10, get the bounce, and then I was going to play it one more time on the 50. Thank goodness it did this gap down before the market opened, because now that we're below the EMA 50, I don't want to play this. Because what's going to happen is this EMA 5 is going to come to be the very bottom. The price is going to probably come back up, and now these EMAs are resistance, and I just don't see this recovering with a reverse split. I know you guys want to see someone pumping it. You want to see all this and that. It's just that's the harsh reality, guys. And I'm here for you guys. We all lose on trades. It's about minimizing the risk. Obviously, it's hard to minimize the risk when you're plummeting down, because you can't have stop losses pre-market after hours and it goes down this much. Yeah, I totally get that, but personally, I'm a big fan of bigger cap stocks, and then I'll put lesser money into this stuff. But yeah, this is my analysis. If you guys do want to join the premium Discord, definitely click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. I'll tell you guys a really nice strategy. I tell you guys stocks to avoid, stocks to put your bigger money into, and how to follow the trend on higher quality stocks, and then also how to sell puts and cover calls to make consistent money all the time. So click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll take you to this free chat landing page to join my Discord. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts. If you want access to all my memberships, day trades and swing trades, for only 12 bucks a month. I'm telling you guys, I know it sucks out there. I want someone to be able to come in here and be like, you know what, I want to give it a try. It's 12 bucks a month. What am I going to lose? I'm going to learn some tools. I'm going to understand how to trade. I'm going to learn this guy's system. I'm going to understand his day trading. My day trading is absolutely my favorite. I don't have to worry about drops like this. I don't have to I just trade what's going on in the day. I have a clear stop loss, a clear take profit, bam, bam, and I'm done. And I have a strategy where I sell credit spreads, and I would love to show you guys how to do that. And it doesn't even use day trades up because I let the premium expire worthless. I know it sounds confusing, but once you learn it, you're going to love it. I have the day trading education in here. I have the swing trading education in here. Everything's in here. Everything is in here for you to learn. But I think you guys are going to all like it. This is TNXP. My analysis is, take you know, it's up to you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is looking like a downtrend where this EMA 5 is going to be at the very bottom, this purple band, and pretty much what happens when you're in a downtrend, I could show you. Um, when that happens, you have the EMA 20 at the top and the 50, and it just keeps getting rejected at these EMAs. You don't want to be a part of this where you see how these downtrends can last forever, right? You get in it and it just goes down and down and down and down and down, and it's just a slow, painful death. And then, when the uptrends do happen with pennies, they just don't happen long. Anybody asks me, like, oh, why wouldn't you want to invest in TNXP? Because the market, I don't invest in stocks less than $1. It's just the harsh reality of RS happening. I don't want to deal with that. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Let's make some money. Let's recoup these losses, and I'll show you guys a good strategy that works. Peace out and happy trading.